This is a renovation project. In the old house, we had the entrance coming all the way in the first floor, and then we had to go down for our bedrooms in the ground floor. And I wanted an open kitchen and had a lot of problems in the kitchen. So we wanted these couple of issues to be resolved along with a good interior design of the house. And so we wanted a complete renovation of our house.
It's a load-bearing structure, no columns whatsoever. This is not an easy project. I am an engineer myself. So this is an 18-year-old building. Nobody would say that. If you were to ask someone, they would say this is a brand new building.
It has a complete different material palette, a total contrast, a total takeoff from what we usually do. But it was a challenge for us, and I guess we were able to address that challenge as such.
We wanted a luxurious home, a warm, cozy home compared to what we had 18 years back. One of the primary factors for us was a greenery in each of the floors. So as we enter, there is a good bit of greenery. In the evening it comes alive because of the lightings, and as we step in, there's a good foyer area, where there's a nice seater, because in the morning we have this rush of sending our kids to school, so we are using that seater very, very nicely. So that is something we really wanted. And then as we enter, we wanted a little bit of decorative, luxurious foyer area, and you can see the stone, the Rajasthan stone, and it really comes alive in the evening with the lighting. And then we wanted one drawing room per se, right? We don't want to invite strangers all the way to our living area, so we wanted a drawing room where we could just talk to bank guys and sign stuff and send them away. So, and then we have the study, because I tend to work from home, so we wanted a spacious area where we could work, and then in the evening kids would join and they have to study. So we really wanted a spacious study, because that is where we're going to spend a lot of time, and a lot of storage, yet not too heavy, kind of boxy thing. So that's what we got. And then we have our daughter's bedroom, designed in white and pink and gold, and we had a kind of special focus on bathrooms. So our daughter's bathroom has the gold color fixtures, and then we come up to the first floor area, which is our main living area or the informal living. We have a beautiful kitchen, and then we have our puja room. The specialty is we have this big, huge onyx stone framed with teak, and then it's backlit. So you kind of sit there and we kind of get transported. It almost feels like we're in Mount Kailash. So, and then we have a guest bedroom designed with a tropical theme. And then we have our common bathroom. That space is with copper fixtures. And then you also see the greenery on the first floor. So we don't have much space, but a wide balcony with special kind of shrubs and plants. So we get that sense of being amidst nature, even in first floor. And then we come up to the new floor, which we added. Most beautiful place, if I would say, anyone, our friends and guests whoever come, they agree with our terrace garden, right? So we have a tropical themed shrubbery on the left hand side with a little water body. We have some fishes there, and on the right hand side it's more like a Zen garden with the bamboos and all of the other shrubs. So this is where we come after a hard day's work. After 7 p.m. me, my wife, kids will be here talking, and then all the day's stress kind of it just gets evaporated with a high ceiling, and we have a bonfire as well. We like.
The peaceful residence of this project was this amoeboid curvilinear roof. That is the whole highlight of this project, I must say.
And then of course we have our master bedroom with a view to the garden. It's what we always imagine, this is how our master bedroom should be. And then of course my favorite bathroom. I'm very particular about bathroom being really spick and span and with all the modern amenities. So that was one of the things we had said, that we want our house to be modern, luxurious. So everything has reached our expectation. In some ways it has gone beyond. And then we have a laundry area, laundry room per se. So we always, in the previous home we kind of left laundry onto the terrace with all the clothes lying around, but we realized that importance of laundry area having a separate space where you dry your clothes in shade, not in sun, for the longevity. And then we also use it as a training. We have our daughters, they try out their dance moves and all that on the mirror side. I have a small little gym equipment. And then of course there is ample amount of sunlight coming on top of the stairwell and also on the bathroom. Select something by looking at one tile, but when you put it in the room with other fixtures and all of that, how does it look? Only an architect can tell. When we started, the vision was not like this. So I would say, Prashant helped us to reach what we kind of had a implicit vision inside, which was not really coming out. I also want to appreciate our contractor, Manjunath from Marshfit Constructions.
When a client is very clear with what they want, and they also are supportive and they place that kind of a trust with an architect, it really pushes us to do our best, and that's one of the biggest things you could expect from a client as an architect. And I'm really thankful for clients like Deepa and Guru.
Overall it was fantastic process as well as the final output. We kind of pushed each other to find the best thing, and there are a lot of details. If you look at the railings, there's a lot of character in this house. It's not very sterile or very gimmicky. There's a lot of thought which has been put behind. So there were a lot of technical challenges and a lot of constraints, and in spite of all this, coming out with this beautiful home, we are very happy. I'm delighted, I would say. Thank you.